You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Greek, meaning father loving. If you want to learn more Greek mythology, names and Greek vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. In Greek it is said as Philopator, Philopator, but in English, Philopator, Philopator, or American English, Philopator, Philopator, Philopator. How to pronounce Philopator. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.